Hello.
Hello, we are back.
Welcome back. Yes, we are. Unfortunately, I did not have the time to listen to your voice messages. However, I will listen to them after I finish my classes, okay?
Okay. Oh, and by the way, have you seen my Hermione?
No.
She and Cho Chang have been missing for a bit, and
What?
yeah. And so I might have not said it very clearly in the text, in the voice messages, but I was just guessing it might be Augustine and Fat Gus, and
Oh.
well, I mean, Fat Gus did actually stole it in front of me, so at least I know where she has hid Hermione, but I also know that Augustine stole Cho Chang, or I'm not sure. I just
Oh, how do you know that?
I saw a silhouette of a squirrel stealing Cho Chang because I was
Okay.
like looking at the screen, not looking at the side. So I
Okay.
suspect it might be Augustine or it might be Fat Gus again. But yeah, I didn't find them. They're still missing.
I hope you find them. And I'm pretty sure the squirrels were somehow involved. I cannot prove it, but I'm like 90% sure it was the squirrels. So maybe look into that. Check out their spots where they're like hiding stuff. So yeah, I think that might help. And of course, let me know if you find them, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Well, I can see Fat Gus is here, so that probably leaves us with Augustine as a primary suspect. What do you think?
I'm not sure. Fat Gus can be fast sometimes, and yes, I'm still not sure, but Fat Gus, if I see Hermione in your secret box, then I will be giving you carrots tonight. Ha! Yeah, she hates carrots for some reason.
Yeah, I can say that that was like a form of a punishment for Fat Gus. But how can you tell by looking at the silhouettes? You know, they're pretty similar, aren't they?
Well, yeah, Augustine and Fat Gus are pretty similar, but yeah, their voices are similar. Their body structure is not very similar, but kind of similar. Like Fat Gus's chubbiness is 60% probably, and yes, she doesn't like people calling her fat, so yeah, she's probably gonna punish me, but I think she already punished me because she stole my Hermione. And Cho Chang. Someone stole Cho Chang.
Okay.
And Augustine is probably 50%, so their chubbiness is different, but overall their chubbiness is just like 10% different, so they're still pretty similar.
Okay.
And the silhouette I saw was this pose, so I can't really tell if the squirrel was chubby or not. Yeah, Rick is probably like the most flexible one, and Marty just is sticking his face to the screen all the time, probably like doing something on Scratch. Yeah, there's an app on the computer named Scratch. Yeah, he owns his own computer, but his computer is a kid's one, so it only has like a few like apps, so there's not as many as my dad's computer. Yeah, he's pretty jealous of my dad.
Yeah, I can see why, to be honest with you. And now we have a case to return to. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm very ready.
Perfect, me too. Okay, finally we have completed this page successfully. Do you have any questions regarding this?
Well, I do not have any questions regarding this.
We will dive into the bin C, and as you can see, big concepts. The specimens. What are the specimens?
The specimens are like the parts.
Yes, very good. They are the parts. In science, especially in biology or any science regarding development, the specimen would be a small container that contains a piece of a species or like a fragment of a body. In this case, you can see 5 different containers.
Mm-hmm.
Can you read to me? What can we find in each of them?
We can find susceptibility, inherence, outcomes, stimuli, and
Nuance. Okay. This is inheritance.
Mm-hmm.
This is susceptibility. And this is nuance. I just wanted to read that out loud if you had any confusion there, so you can know how to pronounce those. As you can see, we have 5 different colors. Usually, if colors are different, that means that the words are supposed to be what?
Different.
Exactly, so they have different meanings. Let's dive deeper. Let's start here. Can you read and give me some, like, analytical side of this, Professor? Thank you.
Susceptibility. Ability is ability, so... Oh, it's like very fragile, right?
Yes, and ability, what does ability means?
Ability means like you have a certain thing that you can do. Like, for example, Fagus's most useful ability is sniffing walnuts. Because, like, yeah, I'll just tell you the reason. Because, like, I mean, if she can find walnuts, that means, like, she can live in the wild, right? And she can also smell what my shirt smells like. Like, when I was giving you the first voice message, she said my hair smells like hair.
Mm-hmm.
And then she said my shirt smells like Mochi. Mochi is a lovebird. He is also my drama queen pet. So please don't ask why, because I guess there was Mochi stuff in my shirt.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so...
Okay.
That's pretty much what
very well.
ability
Now,
means.
Thank you for speaking about that. As always, it's very insightful for me.
Thank you.
And now, susceptibility. You explained ability. So ability is being able to do something, right? Being skilled enough, being good enough at something. So I have the ability to teach English. You have the ability to do, I don't know, a variety of things, right? You're good at different things. And you and I have the ability to walk, right? We can both walk. Good. But in this word, susceptibility to illness means being able to get sick easily. Have you ever heard of this word?
Prone?
Yes, prone to something.
I know the word. Ow. I know the word, but not familiar.
Okay. The word prone in itself means likely to be, likely or liable to suffer from, do or experience something unpleasant. So usually I connected this word to this word, susceptibility. Why? Because if you are susceptible to illness, you are prone to illness. To me, this is just the easy way to remember it, I guess.
Oh, okay. Then, how about this? Can we both make an example? Okay. Can we both make an example of prone? Because, yeah, usually when you talk about like a new word, phrase or word, you usually like make an example, and I really want to see the example because the examples are interesting. Be prone to means likely or liable to suffer from do or experience something.
Okay, look at this.
She is prone to headaches when she's stressed. Oh.
For example, or this.
This area is prone to flooding in the winter.
For example, wait.
Children are prone to catching colds in the cold weather. Okay.
Or this is true for me.
I'm prone to staying up late when I start reading a good book.
Exactly.
Aha.
And, maybe we can say this.
Teenagers are prone to mood changes because of the hormonal shifts. What's hormonal?
You should know, we usually use the word prone for negative tendencies. So when the context is negative, we usually use the word prone. So staying up late is not good, catching a cold is not good, flooding is not good, headaches are also a bad thing, mood changes are not good. So prone, what comes after is usually bad.
Aha.
Can you give me an example? Can you try?
Like using prone? Okay. The ant is prone to be eaten by the spider.
Okay, good. I can go with that one.
And
Now,
okay.
you're gonna give me another one, or should I move on?
Let's just give another one, I guess. So,
Okay, good.
the school bus is prone to crash into the tree. But Fat Gus is not scared of tree crashes.
Good. Okay, I like how you managed to put Fat Gus in somehow.
Yeah.
Why I gave this example, the word prone, because I want you to see how similar yet different it is from this word. I need you to read this and we can talk about it.
Okay.
Susceptibility.
Susceptibility means the tendency or likelihood of being affected by something, especially something negative, illness, influence, pressure.
Okay, I will give you examples, okay? Let's start with health examples. Sorry, I'm typing in my notebook. I'm trying to be really fast.
Children have a higher susceptibility to infections.
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, that's true because their immune systems are not fully developed yet.
Yeah, I can understand that. I can understand that because 3 times my fingers literally have that kind of weird disease, skin disease or some stuff, but it's almost like fully cured. I mean, none of them look really red, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I understand. They look pretty normal, but I get where you're coming from, though. I have another health example here for you. Can you read it? It's stress related.
Oh, okay. It's stress related. Okay. Stress can increase your susceptibility to illness.
Exactly. And this one is going to be very familiar to you because we just talked about it. Can you read it?
Genetic factors influence a person's susceptibility to certain diseases.
For example, if your mom was very susceptible to getting headaches or getting colds easily, there is a high possibility that you will be that way too, because it's a genetic factor and you inherited that. Now, would you be able to use susceptibility in a sentence?
Well, how about I say susceptibility, like, the dust outside influences Fat Gus's nose. Fat Gus's susceptibility to coughing.
Okay. Good. I love that. That was a good one. Now I need you to read this. Why? It's a clear difference between prone and susceptibility. Can you read this, please?
Prone describes a person or thing directly. She is prone to anxiety. Susceptibility focuses on the level of vulnerability. She has a high susceptibility to anxiety.
Okay, good. Can you see the difference between the two sentences?
Well,
they're very similar.
They are
very similar.
But I think, the prone example does not have has a high. So I guess there's a difference.
Yes. Yes. So this has is because it's more direct, right?
Yep.
It says just that something is. And this is not very direct. It gives us a chance. It gives us a maybe. Maybe you will susceptible, and this tells us that you are. For example, I have a high susceptibility of having bad eyesight. Because everyone in my family has bad eyesight. Both my dad and my mom have, they are wearing glasses. And my sister, my brother, and as you can see, I'm wearing glasses. Everyone in my family is wearing glasses. So we knew that we had a high susceptibility of developing a bad eyesight. And it happened.
Oh.
Okay. What do you have a high susceptibility to?
I have...
Do you know?
A high susceptibility. Of misunderstanding people. Like, literally, when my mom's not mad, I literally think she is mad.
Okay, I get that. My best friend is like that, She sometimes cannot, as we say, read the room, quote unquote. So she often is confused about people's feelings, so I understand you.
Oh.
Okay, we will need more time than I thought we would, but I really want you to understand this, so hopefully I'm helping you to slowly but surely understand this. Hopefully.
Okay.
Okay, do you have any questions about susceptibility? Anything?
I don't have any questions.
On the scale of from 1 being the lowest to 10 being the highest, how much are you able to understand this word?
9 or 8.
9, okay. Okay, so there is still room for clarification, yes?
Yep.
Okay, very good. So in the next class, we will go over this again. I will give you different examples, much easier ones, and we'll try to make it work a little bit better. Is that okay with you?
Yes, that is okay with me, and I said 9 or 8, but I actually also feel like a 7, so yeah, because most of the words you described what susceptibility's meaning is, I don't really know, and I don't even have time to ask, so I think we can talk about that later.
So you need easier examples.
Yeah.
Good. So, it's very important for me to tell me if you don't understand something. Because if you don't tell me, I don't know if you understand it, okay?
Oh, okay.
Can we make that a rule? If at any point you are not familiar with the word, you stop me and you tell me, okay?
Okay.
That way, I can give you some easier examples, which I can always do if you let me know that you don't understand.
Okay.
Will that be better?
That will.
Okay. Don't seem so disappointed, okay? It's gonna be okay.
Okay. See you next time.
See you next time.